Go Pro, by Eric Worre, is a highly acclaimed book in the field of network marketing and direct selling. It serves as a comprehensive guide for individuals aspiring to excel in the industry and achieve financial success through network marketing. Eric, an experienced entrepreneur and network marketing professional, shares his expertise and insights he gained from years of experience in the field. The book is structured in a logical and easily understandable manner, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned network marketers. One of the standout aspects of Go Pro is Eric's emphasis on mindset and personal development. He emphasizes the importance of adopting a positive mindset, overcoming fear and rejection, and developing the necessary skills and habits for success. This motivational aspect of the book can be empowering and inspiring for readers who are seeking to overcome obstacles and take their network marketing careers to new heights. Worre provides practical advice and strategies to build a successful network marketing business. He covers various topics such as prospecting, inviting, presenting, following up, and closing. The book offers valuable insights into effective communication techniques, building relationships, and leveraging technology to grow your network marketing business. One of the key strengths of Go Pro is its focus on ethical and professional practices within the network marketing industry. Worre emphasizes the importance of integrity, honesty, and providing value to others. He highlights the significance of building trust and credibility, which are crucial elements for long-term success in network marketing. Overall, Go Pro by Eric Worre is an exceptional resource for anyone involved in or considering network marketing. It offers practical strategies, valuable insights, and a motivational approach to help readers unlock their full potential in the field. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this book can serve as a valuable tool to enhance your network marketing skills and achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, follow and subscribe.